Hello there. Today you're going to practice some coordinate graphing using the slide deck. This video tutorial is going to take you through tasks 1 through 5. Hopefully you watched and completed the iReady lesson yesterday. But let's take a look and get started. So number 1 is reviewing some important vocabulary. Remember the origin is at 0, 0. That's where the y and x axes meet, and we always call that point the origin, and its coordinates is 0, 0. The x-axis runs horizontally, and the y-axis runs up and down or vertically. Let's move on to task 2. Task 2 is going to ask you to start at the origin, right here, move 6 units to the right and up 4 units. So we always go right, up. So if we go 6 units to the right, here we are on the x-axis. We're 6 units away from the y-axis. And we're going to go up 4 units away from the x-axis. And that would put us right here. The ordered pair for this would be, we're going to actually, you have to delete that £, put the number 6, 4. So just to review, you always put your x coordinate first, your y coordinate second. Task 3, same review here. We're going to move right away from the origin, so along the x-axis 3 units. So that's our x coordinate. And we're going to move up 5 units, up 5 on the y-axis. So if we have 3, 5, our point would be there. And we would write this. Remember, you have to delete and then enter 3. Your y coordinate is 5. So 3 to the right and up 5. Task 4. Task 4 is asking you to place an X next to the point located at 5, 2. So remember, you're going 5 units away from the origin. That's your X coordinate. And you're going up the Y-axis away from the X-axis 2 points. So where does that meet? Right there. You can put the X in on your slide deck at that point. 5 over, 2 up. Task 5, use the coordinate plane to complete the table. So we're looking at point M. Point M's x coordinate is 7. It's 7 units away from the origin, so we're going to delete that, type a 7. And we're going to delete the y £, and say that sits right on the x-axis, so we didn't go away from the x-axis at all. We're at 0. The y coordinate would be 0. So 7, 0 is M. L, let's take a look at L. There's L. L is 3 units away from the origin, so the x coordinate is 3. And L goes up 8 units away from the origin, so the y coordinate is 8. O, I'm going to ask you to complete O on your own. You're going to start always with your x coordinate and then go up to find your y coordinate. Okay, tomorrow I will post the video tutorial for the second half of the slide deck.